Wustang Electrical Appliances Company Limited is a Chinese manufacturer on electric water heater and kitchen appliances for 29 years experience. Since 1996, we have built 4 bases. Our showroom, sales central office, and kitchen appliances solution located in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, China. Electric water heater solution is located in High-Tech Industrial Development Zone, Minqiang County, Shangqiu, Henan Province, China, which covering 640,000 square meters with over 340 employees. 8 assembly lines for electric water heaters with the annual production capacity of 3 million pieces. Sales volume achieved 1,830,000 in 2020 and target for 2 million in 2025. 21 design patents and 10 utility patents for electric water heaters, 3% of the annual turnover invested in the R&D. Chinese market have brands Wustang, Ponder, overseas market have rich experience in electric water heaters exports OEM and ODM supporting SKD and CKD. Customization is also available. Our certifications are CE, CBKC, G-Mark Rose, etc. We have established business relations with corporations from Europe, South America, Africa, and Asia. Our products are all tested by authoritative detection agencies, such as DKLI, TÜV Rheinland and SGS, India IST and B5 stars. With the advanced equipments and professional staff's effort, we will continually friendly cooperation with our customers, supplying high-quality products and best service. Believe with us, your Wustang.